if you hear any sounds, it's from people that aren't me. Unless it's me talking. Okay, so here's some facts about trees. So did you know that the top of the part of the tree that we usually see gets the sunlight and the roots get the water? So every single time you water a tree or a plant, you're giving the roots water. And did you know that even though it doesn't look like it, trees are actually alive? There's also tiny little creatures, I don't know what their names are, that suck inside of the tree that's killing the tree. Like there's some on this tree, so if you see any bark falling off, that's what's happening. There's also a bunch of creatures that actually live in trees. Like in this tree, there's a bunch of ants that live in here. Let me see if I can find an ant. No, I don't see any ants right now, but I did earlier. In fact, I think there's more. Also, praying mantises don't usually live in trees, but they usually stay in trees for camouflage. And since there are other bugs living in the tree, praying mantises are usually so happy in trees that other bugs live in anyway. More about trees. Okay, so when a tree dies, it will die. I'm not sure how that's a fact, but it is. Also, did you know that certain parts of the tree are actually weaker? So example, this right here is strong. And this right here is weak. And this is also weak. A little bit strong, but weak, kind of in the middle. Some examples of creatures that live in trees are termites, birds, already mentioned praying mantises, but they don't actually live in a tree. I don't think they live anywhere unless you keep one as a pet. Anyway, did I already mention termites? I'm not sure, but termites do live in trees. I've mentioned birds. What others do? Ants. I might have already said ants. I think monkeys. Yeah, I think monkeys live in trees. Do they? I don't know. Or do they just use them as playgrounds? Or both? I don't know. But we're going to use monkeys as an example. Those are some facts about trees. Also, the way to know if a tree is good to climb is what if... Okay, let me show you. Okay, so this tree right here is strong and a little bit taller. But there are some trees that aren't good to climb. Let me just get down here to show you that. Okay, I'm down here. An example would be this tree right here. There's not anywhere to stand to climb it, unless you're a squirrel or a cat. But if you're a human, good luck. Oh, yeah. This is the tree that I was just in. I put string around because, well, I wanted to. So yeah, that wraps up the facts about trees. Wait, before it's time to go, now, just a second, because Mr. Red-Eyed Skeleton wants you to subscribe, okay, and like, so